Let's get physical, physical. I wanna get physical. Let's get into physical. Hi there, this is Trainer Julia, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe if you like what you see, and don't forget to hit that bell to be alerted to new workouts. Today we're going to do a true beginner HIIT. We're going to do 5 exercises. We're going to do them 3 times each, starting at a low level of intensity, working our way up to the last round at the highest level of intensity. It's going to be super fun. The moves are super easy, and you're going to really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's do a great workout together. Let's go! Okay, we're going to start off with our first move. We're just going to do a simple squat. Remember, this is round 1, so we're going to do the easier version of each exercise for 45 seconds for the first round. So, nice straight back, looking forward, sitting back as if into a chair, and the knees are not going beyond toes. Slow or fast as you like, just do the full range of motion. We're just getting warmed up. All right, let's get down on the ground. We're going to do our next move. We're going to do our level 1 bicycle crunch coming up. Get ready. Lifting the head and shoulders off the mat. We're just going to bring those legs in one at a time. Not involving the arms yet. Remember, this is our level 1 dead beginners HIIT workout. Now you should still start to feel almost right away that you are working those abdominal muscles. And if you stay at this level the whole time, that's great too. So again, 45 seconds. Double it up if you like. Keep it up. All right, stay on the ground. Next up is an elbow plank. Get ready for it. Elbows are on the mat. So we're lifting up into an elbow plank, and we're just going to hang out right here. May not seem like a challenging move, but it actually is, especially if you have to get wasps off of you while you're doing this. Don't do that, just stay nice and steady, keep your back nice and straight. I'm not letting that wasp ruin my plank. Okay, stand back up. Hopefully the wasp thread is over. We're going to do some jumping jacks next. Get ready. Keep it nice and loose. So we're doing level 1, easiest level jumping jacks, which are no impact. So if you are someone who cannot do impact due to injury or recent childbirth or any other reason, you can just keep doing this for all 3 rounds. You don't have to use the impact version. So just one leg at a time going out. Nice big arms. This is a cardio move, and it also works the muscles of the lower body. Keep going. 45 seconds goes fast. It's a beautiful day. Here's that damn wasp again. All right, stand at the front of your mat. Get ready for the next move. I'll walk you through it. So we're lifting the arms up, down into a squat. Bring one leg at a time out, one leg at a time in. Stand back up again. Do it again. down into a squat, one leg out, one leg in, back to that squat again, lift it up. Try to speed it up a little bit if you can now. Now that you've got the move down, and keep it going for 45 seconds, you can do it. If I do any funky moves, it's because the wasp came back. A little bit faster. We're back to the beginning again. We're doing our second round, so get ready to go. This time we're going to pulse down when we do that squat. Still 45 seconds, and we're going to try to squat a little bit deeper this time. So slightly deeper squat, pulse it at the bottom. You can even hang out and pulse down there even a little harder. Up is your rest. Keep it going, it's going to go by fast. We're already on round 2. Whew, this one feels good. Come on, push yourself. Back on the ground, remember that bicycle crunch. On your back, hands behind your head. Lift up that head and shoulders again. This time, you're going to touch the elbow to the opposite knee and do a full-on bicycle crunch. Now you can definitely go back to that level 1 or keep at it and even try to just pick up the pace a little bit if you can. Nice smooth movements. You should definitely be feeling that in your abs during round 2. Okay, keep it going. Back down to that elbow plank again. We're going to add something. We're going to do level 2, so get ready. Up into that elbow plank. Now we're going to extend one arm at a time, straight out in front of the body. You will feel that in your abs and your shoulders right away. Remember, your rest, if you can call it that, is hanging out in that elbow plank. So try to push yourself. Round 2. Almost there. Push it. Stand back up again. Jumping jack time. So this time we're just going to do a regular jumping jack. Everybody knows how to do jumping jacks. We all did them when we were kids, whether we wanted to or not. And remember, again, if you can't do impact, it's perfectly fine to go back to the no impact version or hang out like this for 45 seconds. Level 1, level 2. Front of the mat, move 5. Raise the arms down to that squat. This time, shoot both the legs out, shoot both the legs in. Do it again. Shoot both the legs out, Both the legs in. Stand back up again. Keep it going. Shoot the legs out. This is quite a bit harder than the level 1. Take your time. Takes energy and strength, leg strength, to kick those legs out and draw them back in at the same time. You can go back to that level 1 if you need to. Remember that one. Or shoot the legs out. Push yourself up. Last round, get ready to go. Squats again. So this time, we're going to do a jump. We're going to jump and land back into that squat. Level 3. Definitely the hardest. Let's take it back. Beginners can stay. Level 1. Level 2. You can always go back to that. Jump and back. I can feel that in my legs very intensely. Bicycle crunch. Get down on the ground. Last round. So this time, we're keeping the arms and legs straight. Infinitely more challenging than with the legs bent. We're creating a much longer lever, putting a lot more pressure on those abs to perform. So remember, you can go back to the level 2 or even the level 1 if you need to, or back to that elbow plank again. Turn on over. I'm going to add something. Up onto the elbows. This time we're going to push ourselves up onto our hands with the left hand, down to the left elbow, then the right. Now let's start on the right. We're going to lift ourselves up into a regular plank. And we're going to go down with that right hand and then down with the left. One more time on each hand. Push yourself up with the left hand. Hold the plank. Bring yourself down with the left hand. Hold the plank. Bring yourself up with your right hand and hold it down with the right hand. Remember, you can stay in that elbow plank position. That is an option for you. Last jumping jacks. Whew. I can definitely feel our intensity is way up. So here is your level 3 jumping jack. I don't want to lose my ear pods. So we're just adding more air and more arms to even get that heart rate up just a little higher. Don't forget about your alternatives though. Go back to that level 1 if you need to. Level 2, which is just your regular jumping jack. And level 3. I can't talk anymore. Last exercise. Okay. You can do it. Arms in the air, down into that squat, shoot the legs out, do a push-up, legs in, stand right up, do it again. Last exercise, let's go. Single push-up, shoot the legs in, Stand it back up again. Just a few more seconds. Shoot the legs out. Single push-up. You can do that push-up on the knees. Bring the knees in. Hands up. Down again. Go to the knees. Push it up. Then scoot the legs back in. Do it again. Let's do one more. And up. Ah. That was the most tired I've been after only 15 minutes of working out. Hey, thank you for working out with me today. I thought that was just great. We started off right at the beginner moves, and we did it like a true HIIT roller coaster. We went up and down the small hill, up and down the bigger hill, and then up and down to the highest hill before bringing it back down again. Please remember to do a 5 to 10 minute cool down after a HIIT like this. Your heart rate's going to be quite high for a while after this. Thank you for working out with me today. If you enjoyed this workout, then please subscribe to the Trainer Julia channel, where you will get a lot more workouts just like this one. They're short, about 15 to 20 minutes. They require little to no equipment, and they can be done in your own home or even on a beautiful beach. This is Trainer Julia saying thank you very much for working out with me today, and have a fit day. Watch out for wasps. They're still around.